Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio update. It's been a little while since I've shared the portfolio update, but if you've been following on the channel, I'm trying to post some more different types of videos. So head back, check out some of the past videos if you haven't seen them already. Thanks to everybody though that has subscribed, joined along the channel. Like I always say, get this out of the way. Subscribing is free. It'd be great to have you join along. We've got a great community building here, some great comments in there. So make sure you read the comments on these videos as well. And I thank you, everybody that has been following along. We're over 900 subscribers now, so that's awesome to see. Let's jump into the portfolio. The market is green today on a Friday. It's a nice way to end a Friday, so we can end on a good note. I think a bit of a relief, a little bit of a rally there happening. So hopefully you had a chance maybe during this past week to add to your portfolios to some of those stocks and ETFs that you've been waiting to pick up. Hopefully you did. I did a purchase today, just a small one, put a small deposit in the account and picked up, well, one stock and one of the ETFs. We'll get into that. I'll show you what I've purchased and just kind of go over how the portfolio is doing on the market right now. Let's jump in right to it. All right, here we are in the TFSA trade app. And as you can see on today, it's up a little bit, 1.02%, which is awesome. Nice to see a bit of an increase. I will just go over to show you how we're kind of doing so far. Obviously, if you've been following along, you know the market right now, not the greatest, but so it's nice to see a bit of an increase on the Friday to end the week on a good note. Up today, basically, let's just go through and show the total value. As you can see here, it's not the greatest on the portfolio in total, but seeing a bit of increase today on all the stuff. So Brookfield is up today, BTC.Y, the Bitcoin yield index ETF is up today. CMC, nothing happening with that one. ETC up a little bit, 0.86%. These are all going to be live prices, so you might see these change a little bit. Greenlane Renewables. Now, Greenlane was actually one of the stocks that I purchased. I did make a purchase this morning to add a little bit to that. And if we scroll down here, we can see our activity here. We purchased not a ton of them, 50 more shares of the Greenlane Renewables. I think this is going to be a nice, hopefully a long-term, good long-term investment, I think, for the portfolio on that one. REI down a little bit today. Everything can't be up. Solar Lines down. The Slate office REIT is down. Telus is down. Telus is the channel favorite, like I always kind of like to say. VDY up a little bit, 0.17, which is nice. And VFV is up today, 1.16%, which is nice. That's the Vanguard S&P 500. So the market is doing okay today. So the two I purchased the Greenlane Renewables 50 shares, and I also did purchase of the BTC.Y. This is the purpose Bitcoin yield ETF. Just a small addition to that one. So I have 100 shares now altogether. And we can scroll down to the bottom here. And I did a purchase. Oops, I did two because I had a bit left over. There we go, the market buy, 25 shares. So actually 26 if we add on the last one that had some money left over there. So add into that one. Dividends on this was reduced quite a bit, but I think that was because Bitcoin was basically quite flat for a little while, not much moving around. So with this one, we'll see if the dividends start to improve again, maybe next month. But I think long-term, we're going to see hopefully some appreciation in the growth of that one as well. So grab into that one. So just a small deposit in there. That's all I've done for now. We'll do another deposit probably in a couple weeks. We're not racing and rushing through to put all the money in that we have in here. I think it's a good time to keep some money in savings just in case. But that's just me. So you can see as today, up 0.91%, which is nice. But on the week, we're still down 1.6%. Bit of a relief today, which was nice to see. Hopefully this can kind of carry on going forward. But on the month, it's actually nice to see. We are not down on the month, which is good. So 0.88% and 3 months. But of course, looking back here on the 3 months, as you know, the market is everybody's portfolio. And I've had some comments from people. Everybody's portfolio is down, no matter what you're invested in. So not too scared. Hopefully in the future things will go up long term. Down 17.33% for the past 3 months. In the past year, down 18.44% on the TFSA portfolio. So if we go all time, as you know, we've been going since April of 2021. So we've been going over basically 1.5 years now. It's going through, and we are down 18.11% on the portfolio. Total of $2,015.85. So hopefully there's some bit of this rally maybe will continue. I think we're in still a bit of a rough bumpy road in the next little bit. So what I'm going to be doing is just carrying on what I'm doing. Small deposits, adding to the positions when I can, and just slowly building the stocks and ETFs that I have in a portfolio. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them down below. As you know, I'm not a financial planner by any means, but if I can steer you in the right direction, I will happily do so. I really appreciate everybody that's been following and watching. Hopefully everything will start to slowly get better as we go on. It's nice. I know it's a bit of a grind. It feels like a grind sometimes when you're looking at your portfolio. I know when you're checking it, especially you try not to check it every day, but obviously with it being in an app, it's easy to jump in there and always want to see what's happening. But I think my suggestion that I have is just think long term. And don't make any rash decisions. Obviously, if things are down, don't make any rash decisions to sell anything if you still believe in the purchase and stocks that you made. But just do your research out there. Be smart when you're investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and don't put any money in anything that you can't afford to lose, I guess would be the suggestion I have. So thanks for watching. If you've made it this far and haven't checked down below to see if you're subscribed, that'd be great to have you join along. Next goal of the channel is to reach 1,000 subscribers, so that'd be awesome to have that happen. I know there's a few people that have been commenting and counting down, so I know Vic has been watching and following along for a while. He wants to hit that 1,000, so help Vic out, get him to help him get my channel to 1,000. It'd be great to appreciate you joining along. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next week in the upcoming video. And have a great weekend, everybody. That's it. Take care.